had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Hey guys, so it's a new day. So it's Monday today. Guess who came to class? Wow, proud of myself. I haven't been to school altogether in like a month and a half. First of all, because the lecturer is Danish and so I don't understand jack shit. But also like if you don't understand what's being taught at school, I don't think there's a need to go to school, I guess. That's what I said to myself. Excuses. So I haven't been to school in forever. But we have exams in 16 days. And I really have to get my shit together. I should stop cursing, but I really need to get my thing together because all I want is to see. But if I get less than that, it's gonna suck because I have to do way better in the exams next year, and I don't know if I can because I don't know what it's gonna be about. But let's not be negative. This is not a negative vlog or be like, oh, I don't go to school. You guys should go to school. Don't be like me, of course. But so today or the coming weeks, my plan is to basically study every day. I've said no to work during the weekdays, and I have Saturdays free, so 2 Saturdays before the exams. And I think I'm gonna need that, basically, just reading, studying, answering questions, just so I don't feel like I'm dumb, basically.
There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
Tusen takk. Tell me why I'm starting to feel like I failed my exam before it's even started. Shame. Okay guys, so I found a study room. I'm going to edit a video or 2 videos before I start to study, which is because it takes time to upload, and so I can study while it's uploading instead of like studying now and then editing the video, because I still have to wait, because then I will still have to wait for the video to be uploaded, and it's gonna take some time, and today is gonna be a busy day, so we don't have time for that. I'm at a different building than the building that I have lectures in. Or at. I need to work on my English, guys. I feel like I've learned Norwegian, I've spoken Norwegian for so long that I'm forgetting the English. Like, I'm like, is it at or is it in? Because in Norwegian it's like på, I. You get confused that it just mixes everything up in your brain, guys. If you guys speak multiple languages, you understand what I'm saying. Comment in the comment section because you know what I'm saying, baby. But I have lectures in what they call the building 35. But this is 32. It's basically just across the road from each other. So this is a 32 building. I think it's way better than our building because it's bigger. The canteen is better. Everything is just better, you know. You can see they have like the star right there. They've been fixing everything. Let's peep some people downstairs, guys. Okay, no peeking. But they've decorated the school for Christmas, which is quite cute. I thought about going Christmas decor shopping, but I'm like, girl, you live alone. Don't waste your money on stuff like that. But I do have some things at home from last year. I just have to find them. So that'll be happening in a different video. Just stay tuned. I just need to get my life together, guys, because my life is in shambles right now. I'm gonna eat lunch while I talk shit because I need to get stuff done. Not talking shit, but it's just the reality, guys. So I haven't told you guys this, but I haven't been to school in like a month. Firstly, because like I said, I prioritize work too much, but also like the lecturer is Danish. This is just leftover sushi from yesterday. The lecturer is Danish. I like how like some English countries are like, oh, it's not Danish, it's Danish. Ah, keep it to yourself. But what's happening to me? I'm so sassy. I need some tissue. I need to go down and get some paper. But so when he talks, it's like a foreigner singing a foreign song, you know? Like you just listen. I don't know what the hell he's talking about. So that's how I felt like the past month, and I was like, is there any need for me to go to school if I don't understand what the teacher is talking about, you know? So I didn't go, basically, and that's just it. But also, like, for example, today I woke up in the morning and I had no motivation to go to school. Like, I looked at my phone, like it was like 7 o'clock, 7:30, and then I had this cute good morning message, like good morning, under my phone. I was like, should I go to school, should I not go to school? And it was like, last week I planned to go to school. That's my plan, to go to school every day. Not every day, but we have classes 3 times a week, so I'm gonna go all these 3 times, and that's my plan, and I want to be able to execute that plan. So I was like, get up. It's better to even go 5 minutes late, 10 minutes late, 20 minutes late than not to go at all. So I did that. I woke up in the morning and I'm so proud of myself because it wasn't easy. And even though I didn't understand a lot of things, it was good to just come here and see other people in school. And you know, just, yeah. So guys, so I'm just gonna eat, it's gonna be brunch at this time. It's 10:33 a.m. I used to be so ashamed when I couldn't use chopsticks, but then I was like, girl, that's not a native way of eating. You eat with your hands, you eat with spoons, you eat with fork. It's not weird that you don't know how to use chopsticks. Nobody in your family uses chopsticks at home. How do you? So stop being ashamed for like petty things and for no reason. So I basically, let me see. You can put up a note that says it's taken. But I basically got kicked out of the room I was in. So I gotta find a different room, which I did. And I'm gonna sit here for as long as I can. Look at the view though. Or you can't see, but. Okay, I was talking about the different buildings. So that building right there is P35. And the one on the opposite side is 32. So I'm gonna be sitting in this room and working on the video. It's currently 11. Wow, good timing, Meg. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the outfit of the day. It's nothing special. It's just this sweatshirt from Just Do It, Nike, with these jeans that I bought from France. But look here, guys. I tried to pull it up because I always like, you know, do this. And now I'm working around showing part of my behind. But I really love the jeans because it's flare on the down. You guys can see. I'll show you. I hope you can see now, because if not, then I'm just wasting this chair for nothing. But I like that it's like fitting up here and then flare on the bottom, you know, pantalon trumpet. That's what we used to call it in Cameroon, basically. Okay, let's start editing the video. So here I am, crying my eyes out, bawling in Latvia, the only black person around. Guys, it's 12 p.m. or 1 minute past 12 right now. So it took me about an hour to edit the video. I'm just rendering the video right now. I'm gonna start uploading it. And then while it's uploading to YouTube, I'm going to make a study plan for this week. Make a study plan for this week for when I'm going to study, where, how many hours and stuff. I also have a few obligatory meetings that I have to go to, and a study date with a friend of mine on Saturday. So I'll try to keep that in mind. This is the worst part about YouTube, because it takes so freaking long to upload. Only 30%. I have been studying, but a bitch got bored about 1 hour ago or 30 minutes ago. But you know, I did some good work, you know, answered the questions, a little bit of reading.
A few moments later.
Not me jumping into conclusions, guys. I thought I lost the this thing, the protector for the lens. So I went to all the classrooms that I sat at and I was like, I think I forgot something here. Did I forget something? And they were like, no, no, no. I swear down. I was about to cry. I came in here, I took out everything. Took everything from my bag. I just started thinking to myself, like, why is this always happening to me? Every time I'm happy, something bad happens to make me sad, blah blah blah. And then I was like, let me just check my pockets, and it was in my pocket. See, jumping into conclusions faster than relationships out here. We shouldn't be doing that, guys. So my apartment is a mess. What is this? What is this? So I got the day off on Friday, no, on Saturday actually, and on Friday I didn't have work either, so I was like, okay, fine, maybe this is my chance to, you know, go out and be social. So I went to the bar, and the first thing I told the bartender was like, okay, I'm sober and I want to get drunk. And so he gave me a shot of Fernet. I took that, then I got a vodka Red Bull, then I got a ginger Joe. And I was like, okay, fine. It's so cold, by the way. So I went, I was like, okay, let me dance a little bit. I'm dancing. Another bottle of ginger beer. And then I drank with a friend of mine when she was finished with work. It was just a whole lot. Mind you, I didn't drink water all night. Why? Why did I not drink water? Why? Why? Fucked up myself. Fucked up myself. Because where did I end up? I don't even know. Wow. Take your vitamins, kids.
Hopefully, people don't talk so much. I was like, what? Huh?
Hey, I did take my vitamins in front of a few friends, and I took the water, I drank the water before putting in like the tablet. And one of my friends was like, that is the weirdest way I've seen someone drink medicine. I was like, wait, what? He's like, you put the tablet before you drink the water. And I was like, nah, that is not how my granddaddy taught me, and my granddaddy knows best. I didn't say that, but still I was like, no, that's how I was taught. You drink the water and then you take the tablet because you don't want to taste the tablet. Isn't that like common sense? But I guess people do it differently. So tell me in the comment section if you drink the water first and then take the tablet, or if you take the tablet first and drink the water, because I'm like, I don't think I'm the only one who does that.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.